Hi, let's go over the main shower pan options and how to measure your space correctly. There are two common types, alcove and corner. An alcove shower is surrounded by three walls, the back and two sides. It's also called a single threshold shower, and it can be finished with either a glass door or a curtain. A corner shower sits in a corner with two sides. This is a double threshold design and typically uses a glass enclosure. They come in square, rectangular, or neo-angle shapes. Now let's talk about sizing and choosing the right door. The listed size of a shower base matches the rough-in space it fits into, but the actual usable space will be slightly smaller. That's because during installation, materials like cement board, thin set, and tile are added on top of the studs. Together, these layers take up about 1 inch per wall. So for example, a 30-inch alcove shower will end up with about 28 inches of usable width, losing roughly 1 inch on each side, which means your shower door should be sized for 28 inches. For corner showers, the same adjustment applies to the back and one side. In addition, the glass enclosure is usually set about 1 inch inward so it sits securely on the base. So for a 36 by 36 inch corner shower, you'll typically need about 34 by 34 inch enclosure. One important tip, never choose a shower door based on the listed pan size. Always measure after installation and tiling to get the correct fit.